a portion of vinaigrette, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, egg yolk, coat the skin of the chicken with the egg yolk, red chillies with vinegar, once that's added, we will add the rest of the ingredients. One teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 4 teaspoons cornstarch, salt to taste. Of course, 2 teaspoons lemon juice. Once we've got the mixture in the bowl, all we need to do is mix well. Just ensure we get all the juices flowing within the bowl. Now we need to marinate the chicken. For this, we're going to be using plastic wrap, and we will stick it in the refrigerator for half an hour. Ensure the edges are nicely secure. After half an hour, as you can see, the chicken is nicely marinated. And now it's time to put the winglets in the air fryer. The air fryer settings will be 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 minutes initially. Look at those pieces, beautiful marinated pieces of chicken. After 6 minutes, release the basket of the air fryer, add some olive oil, and brush the skin of the winglets in olive oil. Stick it back into the air fryer for another 5 to 6 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. So we have now a total of 12 minutes, and as you can see, the skin looks nice and crispy. Absolutely delicious. It's got a beautiful golden brown coating. Absolutely amazing. Wow, look at that. It's nice and juicy with a golden brown tint to it. And of course, for those that prefer to have the chicken cooked a little extra, what I would suggest is cook the chicken for another 6 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for this golden brown skin, which would be even more crispier. As you can see, look how amazing that is. So these are wings cooked for 18 minutes in total at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see, the skin on the wings is a lot more crispier when you cook it for 18 minutes compared to previously cooking it for 12 minutes. Beautiful, beautiful, absolutely beautiful chicken wings cooked in the air fryer, and a much healthier option too, compared to cooking it in a deep fryer. So there you have it, air fried chicken wings. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share that video, as it would really help. Until next time, you take care and hope to speak to you again in my next video. Bye for now.